Over there.
We brought Charlie home today, and he's very aggressive with his food, and he nips and bites. Okay. So that's a major problem.
Okay.
Is that the major issue?
Yes, it's the major issue that we've had.
He has to be able to sit in front of that food without moving. Every time, this is where you correct him at. Because the closer that he gets to the food, okay, he's closer to the object of fixation, okay? So we want to make sure that he's calm before he even moves towards the food.
Okay. He was pretty calm moving towards it. It was just...
Hi. Hi. That's fine. I do this for a living, guys. Just relax. Okay? So I'm going to let him calm down. I'm going to grab the leash. Okay? I'm going to grab the lead. Sit. Okay, now you see how I use the lead and the tennis racket. This is an exercise, okay? You have to take a deep breath, you have to be calm, and you have to do it in baby steps, okay?
I just didn't expect it, you know?
When he does that, you correct. The licking the lips. He has to be in front of food where he's calm. Even the looking at it. See that little movement in the mouth? You want to get that. You want to correct that. You're telling him, I don't even want you in that frame of mind when you're around food. Okay? So we sit. See, that's what he's used to doing. He's used to winning when he does that. Can't let him win. Sit. 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 Then you just relax, you correct, and then you release the tension off the leash. If somebody do me a favor and stick that on my bag, because if I don't, I'll lose them. I'll leave them. When does he get the food? When he's totally calm. That's when he gets the food.
Okay.
Sit. So we go through this. Calm energy. Take a deep breath. Calm energy.
See, in my mind, I'm just trying to figure out why he's acting like this.
No, what he's acting like this because no one told him not to. So we make him calm down. Okay? When he's calmed down, then we can approach to have him sit, 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 sit. Sit. Okay. Okay. The reason he's doing that is because no one told him in his language not to do it. Our goal is to go to that bowl and let him eat, and then we pull him back. We're going to let him know. If he wants to eat, he has to do it calmly.
Yes, please.
Okay? So we relax. Okay? And we wait until he calms down. Now, those bites weren't aggressive bites. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Yeah. They were more or less what we call mock biting or corrective biting. He's correcting me for not letting him go to the food. Okay? Now, I may have to side submit him.
If it wasn't for the...
Well, wait till he lays down. When he lays down, then he can go to the food.
When he bit the tennis racket, you know, and it's your hand, it's a little...
Sit. Okay, I'm going to take him down.
Hey, Cujo, knock it off.
Down. He has to be calm. Okay, move the full back ball back over there for me. When he relaxes, I relax.
Okay.
Okay. Sit. Now, when does he get the food?
He relaxes.
When he relaxes. After submission, he should. We want the same behavior.
So
Why?
we can do it again
Right.
and teach him that he's not...
He has to understand that he's not going to get away with it.
Right.
He's done this with other people, and he's gotten away with it. That's why it's become learned behavior. That's why I keep this here for my safety. Sit. Sit. I can tell when he's getting cantankerous again because he doesn't want to sit. What we're going to teach him is that you're going to be able to eat when you're calm.
Okay.
Okay, everybody take a deep breath and just be calm. Okay. Have you seen progress?
Well, I only tried
Yeah.
to feed him
Have you
once.
seen progress?
They just laid down.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And now we're going to pull him away. Well, now I loosen the leash a little bit. Hup. Okay. See, that worked for him in the past.
Going after something.
Oh, sure, because they move back, and he gets what he wants. So we block. As soon as we block and he figures he can't do it, he's going to sit down. Then when he figures that he won't get to the food until he lays down, then he'll lay down, and then we'll take him to the food. Sit, 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 sit. Sit.
Jesus, we're going to have to start this process at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh,
Stand back, Eric.
okay.
Has to be done. Notice the further away he gets, the more pleasant he becomes. where most people make the mistake. They get too close and they're not cautious enough. The caution is making sure that you know how to handle your dog calmly. Okay? You got that?
Yeah.
Go ahead, eat. Eat. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Good job.
I am so proud of
Good
you.
job. Go ahead. See? He knew already. Go ahead. This is what we want to stop. We want to stop the proximity here. So I'm going to move a little closer this time. And when he looks, I'm going to correct. Hup. Okay, so we move back. Copy. Good boy. Sit. 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 Go ahead. Go ahead and eat. Go ahead and eat. No one's trying to take your food. Go ahead and eat. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, now I want you to put some more food in there. No, don't do anything. Don't look at him. Just let him eat. Give him more lead. Now move him more. Okay? We saw what just happened, right? He went to the food. Paul was able to be right next to him, and he didn't even.
No, we're fine. Yeah. But since you good folks have gotten here, and Charlie has gotten here and been able to, Chuck's worked with Charlie, it's been a great improvement over when he first got here, and now we're making great progress. He's told us and showed us what to do in order to make him calm when he eats, and we've made great progress this afternoon.
Okay.
And that just goes to show you, I love this guy, because flattery will get you there.
Okay.
I'm Dog Whisperer, Big Chuck McBride, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Here it is.
Awesome.